Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to unapply for a job on ZipRecruiter. So if you accidentally applied for the wrong position or no longer want the job, then just follow along. First, you need to start by signing in to your ZipRecruiter account. Then open the applied job section and find the job you want to remove yourself from. From there, select the application to view its details, and if the option is available, tap on withdraw application or cancel application. Then confirm your selection when prompted. And you need to remember that some employers don't allow application to be withdrawn after submission, so the option may not appear for every job. And if that's the case, you can contact the employer directly to explain that you no longer wish to be considered. So that was how to unapply for a job on ZipRecruiter. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.